SDK.finance. Hi, let me show you a short demo of how the Create Vendor process is implemented in the SDK.finance backoffice. First, we need to select a service user to log in. Of course, in practice, credentials are required to log in. In this case, we will choose the administrator. However, the set of system roles can be configured at the system configuration level, so it could be any other user with the appropriate permissions, such as the CRO. The first case we will demonstrate is Create Vendor. To create a new vendor, go to the CRO section and open the Vendors tab. Click the Create Vendor button. Then, fill in the name of the new vendor in the vendor name field and select the necessary integration to which this vendor will be linked. If you don't have an integration but want to display transactions in the system, you will need to select a custom provider. You can also enable or disable the DebtAllowed parameter, which allows configuring commission so that the vendor's commission can exceed the total commission when the toggle is enabled. Click the Create button. That's all. The vendor has been successfully created, and we can proceed to set commissions. The next case for demonstration is Create Vendor Commission. On the Vendors tab, select the required vendor and click on the View Operations button. To create a commission profile, click on the Create an Operation button. Select the type of operation and the required currency. Click on the Create button. The commission profile has been successfully created. Configure the rules of this commission profile. To do this, click on the View Details button opposite it and create the first rule, Commission Rule. Click on the Create Commission and Limits button. Next, click on the Set Commission Period button, where we specify the start date, end date, and direction of this commission. Start date and end date define the date range within which this commission is valid. The direction depends on the selected operation. For example, for transfer, it can have one of three values in, out, or shared, which indicate which party pays the commission. Click on the Set Commission Period button. The Commission Profile rule has been successfully created. Next, in the Commission Details section, we can set several ranges of commission conditions. To do this, select the required commission type. Indicate the range of amounts, amount from, amount to, within which it will operate. Specify the value, fixed or % of the commission that will be applied if it is not a zero commission. Click on the Update Commission and Limits button. Additionally, you can specify limits in the Limits Details section by enabling the necessary toggles and specifying the values. The last case for demonstration is the Create Contract Commission. Go to the Contracts tab. Select the contract you need. For ease of search, use filters. Click on the View Details button. Select the required vendor from the list and click on the View Details button. Fill in everything by following the same steps as when creating a vendor commission. In this case, a total commission will be created, which will be applied to the selected contract. That's all. Commissions are set for all possible transactions, including top-ups, withdrawals, and others. The process for setting them is the same as shown in the previous part of this video. That's all. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team.